Hello from my food forest. Today I'm going to harvest my purple yam and just wanting to take you with me. So let's have a look what we've got. I have a few places in the food forest where I have the purple yam growing, but this is basically, I think, the biggest one, or maybe one of them. And I can see the plant is coming out of here. So these are the leaves. If you want a little bit more info about purple yam, check my other videos. Maybe I will just harvest the one today. A road in between, wondering what is this one from. You go. Okay, so the first one. Haha! Look at the beautiful color. Really nice, good size. Let's have a look if there are more. So, and this guy is important because it will grow a new purple yam. Okay, here is the next one. A bit smaller, but so pretty as well. Here's another one. And it's going off nicely. Yeah, look at it. How pretty. So, breaking off, because this will make another plant. And for all of you who have pre-ordered the plant from my online shop, this will be one of you who will get the beautiful plant once it's grown. You have to be a little bit more patient because the plant is waiting for the right temperature to grow. So that definitely will be spring at the latest when you get it. This is some sort of a root that I don't need here. Here more to grow for next time. And here is one more pretty one. And here, guys, just while we are here, also something growing. Let me put the camera the right way. Look at it. Look at it. This is my beautiful horseradish. And it's already got a really nice root. The smell of horseradish. Yum, yum, yum. But I will leave it. It can grow beautifully and I will harvest it another time. I have a few other places for a purple yam where I need to harvest it, but it will be enough for now. We will have a few dinners with it. Beautiful purple yam. Altogether probably about 2 kilos. I will weigh it and will put it in the video. How much was it? So I damaged here a little bit, as you can see, but that's okay, doesn't matter. So purple yam harvest for today. So hope you liked it, the video. If you did, don't forget to like Subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye. So rinsing it and saving water into the basket. And I will store it in the fridge until we have eaten it all, because I've got the space now. Otherwise I wouldn't wash it if I wouldn't have the space. Look at the color.